Welcome to the Review Garage, your one-stop destination for in-depth, honest reviews of the latest and greatest in the world of technology, automobiles, and everything in between. Today, we're diving into a vehicle that's been making waves since its initial reveal, Tesla's highly anticipated 2025 Cybertruck. Love it or hate it, there's no denying that the Cybertruck has disrupted the traditional truck market with its futuristic design, groundbreaking technology, and bold promises. Now, with the 2025 model finally hitting the roads, we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with the design because, honestly, you can't ignore it. The angular, stainless steel body still looks like it's been plucked straight out of a sci-fi movie. Tesla has stuck to its guns with the exoskeleton design, but the 2025 model has seen a few refinements. The lines are a bit sleeker, the proportions slightly more balanced, and the overall finish feels more premium. It's still polarizing, though some will adore it, and others will never get used to it. One thing's for sure, you'll turn heads everywhere you go. Under the hood, or rather, under the flat steel panels, Tesla has made significant upgrades to the Cybertruck's performance. The 2025 version offers three powertrain options: a single-motor rear-wheel drive, a dual-motor all-wheel drive, and the beastly tri-motor version. The tri-motor variant boasts a staggering 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.8 seconds, making it faster than many sports cars. Plus, with an estimated range of up to 500 miles on a single charge, it's as practical as it is powerful. Tesla has also improved the battery technology, promising better longevity and faster charging times, key factors for anyone looking to switch to an electric truck. The Cybertruck's interior is equally futuristic. The 2025 model features a minimalist cabin dominated by a massive 17-inch touchscreen display that controls virtually everything. Tesla has also added a few practical touches, like improved seating comfort, more storage compartments, and a new HUD system for better driver visibility. The materials feel durable yet refined, balancing ruggedness with Tesla's signature luxury. One of the most exciting updates for 2025 is the truck's improved utility. The Cybertruck now boasts a payload capacity of 3,500 pounds and a towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds, putting it on par with some of the best gas-powered trucks on the market. Tesla has also introduced a range of modular accessories, including solar panel add-ons for extended range and customizable bed configurations for work or adventure. Whether you're hauling construction materials or heading out on a camping trip, the Cybertruck promises to deliver. On the tech side, the 2025 Cybertruck comes equipped with Tesla's latest full self-driving FSD software. While not yet perfect, the advancements in autonomous driving are impressive, with smoother navigation and better handling in complex traffic situations. Safety features, such as collision avoidance and adaptive cruise control, are now more reliable than ever. That said, it's